Hello participants, welcome to another lesson called Project Africa HTML page development. It is part of web development with HTML, CSS and JavaScript course. For every discipline, one can learn also by examples, apart from the theories and concepts. More so in computer science, we do a lot of computer practicals. So throughout this course, we are going to build a website together called Project Africa HTML page. It will consist of cultures and people and cities and countries in Africa. So participants from Sierra Leone, Ghana, Nigeria, DR Congo, Kenya, South Africa, Algeria, Mali, and all other countries can feel at home during this particular course. Project Africa is about developing a website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's about African countries. Made up of videos, photos, tables. So in that particular project, we are going to insert videos, we're going to insert photos, tables about African culture, economy, and other areas. The project will follow web development cycle made up of web designing with folders and file organization. A website is just made up of folders and files. An ability for it to be linked to other folders and files. But within a file, we have a series of computer codes, tags that a web browser will be able to display. So you can develop files and organize folders on your computer, but no external website will be able to link to that particular file on your computer unless you transfer those files from local computer to remote server with secure file transfer protocol, that's FTP. This is a local host on my computer for African Project HTML page. You can see that we have folders. One of them is CSS, cascading style sheet. It will help us to display the content of the website about color, font size, font family. We also have another one called scripts. So in this particular folder, I'm going to keep my JavaScript in so that I can link it to my HTML page. We also have images, which means I can put my African map in this particular folder called images. Put photos of cities in Africa in this particular folder. So if I have videos about Africa, then I'll put the videos within the video folder. The video folder is here. And also see that we have other HTML files. We have cities, cities2 HTML, we have countries.html, then index.html. So when an external website or web page is linked to my local host, the first page that will open is index.html. That's the home page. The home page. So if you type google.com, so index page within the Google folder will open first. Actually open there. So website is about folders and files. But if you want the whole world to see, you have to move it to server by using FTP or secure file transfer protocol. So we can see here, there's a live simulation of our African project folder. We have CSS, we have images, we have scripts, we have videos, and we have other files, HTML files here. So if I change this one to icons, you can see that when I come here, I see African image here. And if I go into Accra, I see several pictures of Accra, Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, it's over here. And then we have the Ghana National Theatre also here. And then I can also go into the video folder. I'll see several videos also here. And I come back and I'll try to open this particular index HTML. I open it, and you can see that the video that you saw on your computer is now being displayed by Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. You can see a video here showing the Bruna Falls as the beauty of Ethiopia. In this particular video, you can write text on the video. You can pause it, and you can also play it. So you also have, these are called menus. This particular, if I click on the countries, you will see beautiful map of Africa with the countries, very colorful flags over here. Then you can also see that the menu has been moved to the top. So if I click on this home, I'll go to the index where I was, but I want to go back to the countries. So here to have drop down menu, then I want to know more, so I can click on this, and another page about Africa is open on Wikipedia. So here you can read more about Africa. But let's go back to our page over here, and we go back to the home. Okay. That's our African project page. So I want to know what is behind this. In other words, the code behind this. So I come here and then say, then I have my page source here. And here, this is the code behind the video that you saw. That is made up of several parts. Now the style here is this CSS. So this is CSS component all the way down. We also have the script component, JavaScript component. And when it comes to the body of the page, where we have the video, this is the video. So we have the HTML component also here. So this is what we are going to learn